We're on that 2000 to 2005 Monte Carlo and Impala. We're going to be swapping out the ignition switch on this bad boy. And we're going to show y'all how to get this done really easy. First and foremost, you're going to want to take off this side cover. It pulls right off. Once you take that side cover off, you'll have one 7mm bolt here. You're going to take off your bottom cover that your light attaches to. And once you do that, you'll take off this 7mm bolt. And you're also going to take off this 7mm bolt. Automatic ratchet wrench makes quick work. After you do that, you're going to pull this off nice and easy. You got a clip on this side, and you got another clip over here on this side. You can either hang this out the way, or you can take off this connector. After that cover moves out your way, you're going to get this 7mm bolt off. And you got a 7mm bolt down here. You got a 7mm down there. Go ahead and get those off super quick. Open up your glove box. And right here on the left side, you got another bolt. It sits right there. And that's going to have to come off as well. After you do that, your entire dash should be able to come off. You just take it off carefully. We'll drop this down. Pull the cover off. Like that. There's your dash. Make sure this is down as much as possible. And then we'll finagle this after disconnecting this hazard light tab right here. So after you got the whole dash disassembled, you only got these last two to get off to get this ignition switch out. But you got 4 bolts that requires you to have an extension and a 10mm. One's up here, one that's here, and 2 that are directly in this little opening that you see my fingers. And they're going to be those gold bolts. It's going to be that one and that one that you see right there. My fingers kind of that one. 10mm extensions. I'm going to get those. Now that this metal bracket's out your way, that's our ignition switch right up in there. So we'll go ahead and get these 2 bolts off. $10mm. Another 10mm. We'll push her in. Push her in. We're gonna pull her out. And this is our ignition right here. We'll go ahead and get these tabs off the back end. These tabs are back here. Tab here. One. It's 2. Then we got pressing on this tab on the gray side. Put the key in, twist it one over, then that'll come out. And on this, you turn the key over one more. Then you'll be able to press in this little metal tab. And when you do that, the lock cylinder should come out. This. So you can actually press it in now. And there's a lock cylinder. Now, you can go back to this tab. You see it's actually facing us. Now with that lock cylinder out, you'll be able to pull this straight up like that. After verifying that it would fit, it's the same. Just gonna grab her, sit it in place like this. Now that one's in there, we get our lock cylinder. Make sure the key, so you know it's not pressing in anymore. So you want to make sure we rotate the key to where that spot where you can press that in. Once you do that, that little springy part has to go in this open area. Just slide it in like this. She fits right in place, like that. And in order to get that piece back in there, you gotta put your key in, turn it a little bit over. You'll be able to slide this piece back in to make it lock. You'll turn your key back counterclockwise. Now your little gray piece will be in place. Now, for these, it can only go on one way. On this one, you got the 2 metal tabs at the bottom, 3 up top. The only one that matches that, it should be this one with 3 tabs, 2 at the bottom here. So we'll plug this one back in. Take that and we'll plug this one back in. Take this. And then all we gotta do is fish her back in, up and over to this little hole. And put our bolts back in place where they go. We'll do that right now. And that is really all there is to it. All you gotta do is put everything back together. I'll go ahead and show you how this bad boy is working. Start it right up. So if this video was helpful, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Follow us on TikTok on the Puro Mobile Repair Service. Instagram, Puro Mobile Repair Service. YouTube, Puro Mobile Repair Service. We'll make sure that we get y'all back on the road safely and quick. To the next video, guys.